Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. Happy New Year and welcome to the new year. Today's video is going to be very important. Today I'm going to show you how to make money just by designing t-shirts, and this is going to be a rebooted version of the video. Many of you may have checked out videos that how you can design t-shirts and make money, but this is going to be really something really very practical and which is really going to work, and anyone, absolutely anyone from any corner of this world can apply this method. Okay, so now watch this video till the end so you can understand what I'm going to tell you and what steps and methods which I'm going to show you. No one has ever created a video like this teaching this type of stuff in this much detail. Affiliate gurus may teach you something, but they may always keep some of the things towards themselves. I'm not keeping anything towards myself. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to provide you some pure value. Okay, how you can make money designing t-shirts, and this is going to be really interesting because I'm going to show you two of the super great free methods with which you can promote the designs which you have created in the most efficient manner. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. The website which you can utilize to create this type of t-shirt designs, okay, is called teespring.com. You can just go to this website and create the t-shirts as per your aspirations. Okay, now I'm not gonna tell you how to create a t-shirt, what is Teespring, how I am not going to provide you a tutorial, because if I provide you a tutorial, this is going to be really very long video. But I am going to provide you the strategy how you can promote the designs which you have created. If you don't know how to create a design of t-shirt on Teespring, just go and search on YouTube. You will find many of the videos which will be telling you about this stuff. And if you really want that to make a tutorial on this, then just comment down in the comment box, and I will be creating a future tutorial on this method. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to create some type of t-shirts. Now I am going to tell you how to create niche specific t-shirts which are really going to sell. Okay, one of the most important thing about selling t-shirt is that you cannot promote any random t-shirt to any person and expect him to buy it. But if you are really niche targeted, then it is definite that you are going to sell out 90%. If you are niche selling some t-shirts which are really niche targeted and to the people who are really interested in that stuff which is related to that niche. So try to understand what I am going to tell you in this video. So now let me go to the Instagram, and you can see here I have opened one of the hashtags which is known as hashtag skateboard. So the people who are posting here in utilizing this hashtag are absolutely the people who are really interested in skateboarding. And if they are interested in skateboarding, then they will be definitely interested in the t-shirts which are related to skateboards. Okay, so what we will do is that we are going to create an Instagram channel, okay, Instagram page, in which we will be posting content about this type of stuff. For example, skateboarding. This is one of the sport which I have chose because this is really a very micro niche, and this niche has very low competition. Okay, so Instagram, you won't have any problem if you are really interested in growing a page in this niche. Okay, so no affiliate guru is going to tell you that you can target people with this type of niche marketing. Okay, so this is one of the niche which you can utilize, because you can see that this is only 7,908 posts. You can really create a page on this niche and really grow it to a very good number. Now how you are going to monetize that page? To monetize that page, you are going to give the link of your Teespring designed t-shirts in the bio. Okay, and that t-shirts are going to be related to what can we say, that are going to be related to skateboarding. Now what you have to do is just go to Pinterest and just find out the ideas, what type of skateboard related t-shirts you can create, so that you can find people who are interested in this. So you can see that here are many of the see, this is one of the t-shirts. See, this all are related to skateboarding. So people who are doing skateboarding will be definitely interested in this type of t-shirts. And what you have to do is just you have to monetize your Teespring with two sources. One is going to be Instagram page, which you are going to create and grow, and the another is Pinterest. You just have to create a Pinterest account, create one board, and in that board you just have to write all this stuff. Okay, this simple stuff which is related to skateboarding, and just take some ideas and create this type of t-shirts. Okay, if you don't know how to create this type of t-shirts, then just hire someone on fiverr.com. They will charge almost $5 to $10 and they will create this type of t-shirts for you or for your Teespring account, and you can just directly take that designs and upload those to your Teespring account and start selling them utilizing these two platforms. One is Instagram page. You are going to monetize that Instagram page with Teespring, as well as Pinterest page, which also you are going to monetize with Pinterest. Okay, so if you don't know how to promote you using Pinterest, then I have created one of the videos. You can check out my channel, you will find that video, and you can just go for it, and you can really earn a very good amount of money if you are doing this regularly. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It will take some of the work, but if you really are ready to put in the work, you can definitely make $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000 a month doing this simple method. Okay, so this is the method for someone who is a little bit creative and want to be a little bit designing. Okay, so this is one of the great methods. Many of the affiliate gurus utilize this method to earn money just by creating t-shirts. So this is also one of the best way to make money online. So if you like my video, if you like my content, if you found something new on this channel which you have never seen before, then just press the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.